Like the whole like people, and I'm gonna get like a little bit in trouble, but I don't really care. There's been this trend of like putting a throne and like sitting on a throne in music videos, and it's so tacky to me. It just shows like the narcissism of it.
Baby, I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie. Ooh, baby, we can.
Yes! She's so like, the way she talks, it's like profound. I just like the things that she has to say. That hit me right here. They were so cute and so like fun to watch. Some of them will stick with me for a while.
The sweetest pie. Ooh, that's the ride of your life. Hold on, cause baby, I might just.
Oh, every season. Know he got that pipe, let him bust it till it's leak. Yeah. Booty like a pillow, he could use it while he sleeping. Look, don't be going through my phone, cause that's the old me. Ain't the only one trying to be my one and only. Real thick, moving slow, that body like codeine. He a player.
I've seen it a couple times. I love that video, and I just think it's really cool. I have heard it. They commented on my Instagram, both of them. So tight. But yeah, I got that, and then I didn't know what to say. So
Go fast, I'll drive and you just lay back. I got the flavor, the last. Yeah, the sweetest